Hello everyone. Are you ready to uncover the magical secrets of one of the world's most beautiful birds? Today, let's dive into the dazzling world of the peacock, nature's very own superstar with feathers that look like shimmering rainbows. Did you know that the peacock's tail, called a train, can be more than 60% of its total body length? When a peacock spreads this train into a spectacular fan, it can measure up to 5 feet wide. This stunning display isn't just for show, it's how male peacocks attract females. The more vibrant and eye-catching their feathers, the better their chances to impress. Peacocks are native to South Asia, especially India and Sri Lanka. But they've also been introduced to many parts of the world because of their breathtaking beauty. They prefer to live in open forests, farmlands, and near villages, where they find plenty of food and space. One fascinating fact is that only the males are called peacocks, while females are called peahens, and together they are known as peafowl. Unlike the colorful males, peahens have brown and gray feathers, which help them blend into their surroundings and protect them from predators, especially when they are nesting. Peacocks are famous for their loud calls, which can be heard over long distances. They often call during the rainy season or when they sense danger. Their voice isn't as beautiful as their feathers, but it's very powerful. The colors on a peacock's feathers aren't from pigments but from something called structural coloration. Tiny microscopic structures on their feathers reflect light in different ways, creating those stunning blues and greens. It's like a natural hologram. Another amazing fact is that peacocks can fly, but only short distances. They usually take quick flights to escape predators or to reach treetops, where they prefer to sleep at night. In many cultures, the peacock is a symbol of beauty, pride, and royalty. In Hindu mythology, it is the vehicle of Lord Kartikeya and is also associated with goddess Sarasvati. In other cultures, it represents immortality and renewal. Isn't it incredible how much there is to learn about these majestic birds? Peacocks are not just pretty faces, they're fascinating creatures with amazing adaptations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fun and interesting facts about animals and nature. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.